guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make papaya salad, guys. Papaya salad. I have the main one gonna be papaya right there, and I put the long green bean, then cherry tomato, and then eggplant, loud eggplant, and right there garlic and hot pepper. So let's go start it. This is a good COVID-19 medicine. Okay, let's go start it. Oh, forgot, and this lime right here. Okay, right, so let's go start to make this salad. First I'm gonna change the bowl because this plate is so small. I'm gonna go ahead and drop off everything in here. So I already show you what I got. Okay, this is bigger, so I can seasoning more room, more bigger. Okay, first I'm gonna use MSG. I'm gonna use a little bit. Okay, and then this sugar I'm gonna put 2 spoons. Then this fish sauce, go ahead, put 1, 2, 3. Okay, put 5 spoons first. This is a day loud fish sauce. Okay, guys. Put 4 spoons. This is lime juice. 3 lime juice right here. Make a good sour. Okay, this is crab pickle, crab leg, guys. The last ingredient, I like to put crab in here, and the juice right here is so good. So I like crab. So go ahead, put the whole, about 1 or 2, 3, and juice. Okay, put all the juice in here. This is loud taste. If you don't like crab, you don't have to put. I like, so I'm gonna put in. So let's go mix them together. Anything not enough, just add on some more. Smell kicking in my nose already, guys. I don't believe it's so good. This is medicine, vitamin C, everything the same time. Have all goodness in here. Try to make at home, guys. Very easy. Eat with the barbecue pork, chicken, grilled fish. You can eat with. If you have sticky rice, even the best. If you don't have sticky rice, you can eat with noodle or steamed rice. Okay, so right here, oh, smells so good already. Look at this, guy. You don't believe it. Smells so good. Yum. Let me taste. Wow, so good. I need more fish sauce. Just get deep taste, okay? Because if you don't feed it today, eat tomorrow, they phase out the taste. So grab some more fish sauce. Let's clean it right here. Oh my God, so good. You don't believe it's so good. Okay, come on, eat with me. So good. Taste again. Perfect. Wow, so good. Delicious. Okay, guys, try it. So good. Right, I'm gonna have some eat later for dinner tonight. มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินตำบักหุ่งใส่ปูมันบอกตำบักหุ่งใส่ปูด้วยพี่น้องได้แซ่บแท้ๆเลยนะ Alright. So good, guys. Look at this. Okay, have some. Enjoy all the vitamin C, all the goodness in here. Cheers.
Oh, with glass. Oh,
Broken. Oh my god. Change the glass.
cheers.
Sashimi.
Delicious, delicious, delicious.
ซาซิมิทูน่าเด้อพี่น้องมาเดินมากินข้าวน้ำกัน สบายดีพี่น้องมากินข้าวน้ำกันเด้อมีตำมะฮุงมีทูน่าฟิชมีปลาทูน่าแล้วมีตำมะฮุงแล้วก็มีผักมีแกงมีเหล่าเด้อเอายก
Number 1 kitchen in town, Sisu's Kitchen. Better believe it.
very good
That's right.
แซ่บ
Too much food. We need help. Come join us.
ทำจอยอ่ะกินกับตำมะฮุงโอ้อีปะพายาที่เปิดทูWhat with this one?
Very good.
What with that?
Everything goes good with papaya.
เราแดงก็มื้อนี้พี่น้องวันนี้มากินข้าวน้ำข่อยกินข้าวแรงมื้อนี้วันจันทร์เด้อนี่มากันเทนเด้อได้มากันเทนเห็นปะใส่ลงเลยแซ่บกระดูกคางหมูอ่อนกินหน่อยนึงตำมะฮุงแกบตำมะฮุงเราพี่น้องแซ่บกินพอหอมปากหอมคอ
Oh, that whole picture of you?
Oh, sure. I think I sent to my mother.
Oh, when you was already here. Where is it?
Sushi กับตำบักหุ่งแซ่บเข้ากันดีน้องๆ
You have to be watered every day because it's so hot. Right? See you later, guys. Bye.